This is a special cabinet that I have laid out on the table here that we're making. It is for a galley in a yacht. So in this, the customer requires a base or a bottom panel, a left and a right hand side to the cabinet, and front and back top rails. It will also require a panel in the back for in the yacht. It's a bit different to a motorhome. I'd like to show you, I have used the labels option for this job. We see here the label ID gives the part number. There's only one of them. It gives its cut size and it says it's the bottom. The sub assembly is it's a 610 base unit which has a fridge in it. Then in the middle we see here the moulding ID. Starts front, edge banding, back, P521 F channel, and then left and right. So it goes front, back, left, right. We see here the left and the right are the P757 overlay corners, which I've already got out here. So to find out what mouldings, I've already got them out, what mouldings you would need on this panel. You will have already put your edge banding on the front. We then use, with the Cutlass Plus system, the moulding recap guide. So in this moulding recap we find the 610 base fridge bottom, which is, we can see this is, and then it tells you the edge, left and right edges here are the 757 moulding, which I have out. And we see here the B number, the banding or edge number is 72. And this 72 banding number correlates to our edge banding requirement list, part of the Cutlass Plus. We see that B72 is in fact 757. There were 17 of them cut, and they are 560 long. So then we would go to our rack, which will just show you where I got these two mouldings from. You can see I have cut them to the 560 pre-cut, but it's very important, I've labelled both of them with the B72, and I got these from the rack just that I have over there off camera. So now I know that they go left and right onto the sides. They'll be fitted on there. Just loosely fit them now. The front is edge banded, of course, which you'll have already done. And then when we're fitting these mouldings, we would see on our list that the back was part B51, cut out of the F channel. And when these two mouldings come together, we can see that there will be an overlap. So a portion will need to be checked out where they intersect. The guide on how to check these mouldings out is found in the Duralite Modular System Moulding Intersecting Connections. They're coded and described in detail there. And we use the renovating tool. Get hold of that. We use the renovating tool as I've previously shown. I also, as we've recommended, that we can use a nice square block, and the amounts that you check out I have marked on here, the various amounts, 5, 12, 22, 25 or 35. So one would simply work out what intersecting portion was required. In this case it's perhaps a 12, so we'd mark the 12, slide our little block back, lock that in, and then we would cut through. And the guide will tell you whether it's the lip to cut only, where you come down and then you would slide in, or whether in fact it is the flange and the lip where you would go through there and then you would turn it over and you would come down the same cut and then check that out. So you would take out either the lip, the flange, or the flange and lip. But that is how the intersection of the mouldings is handled, and that's in this guide as well. So summing up, we have the parts, we have the edge recap, edge banding, front, back F channel, left and right P757. We know the lengths to cut those because they're given a code in the edge banding requirements, B72. There were 17 of them for the job, and they were cut at 560. And then when we know what edge that we're looking for the part number, we find it's the bottom of the base fridge, and there it is, left and right P757. You need a B72 moulding for left and right. This speeds up your manufacturing by pre-cutting all your mouldings, using the labels and using the intersecting guide.